going on, YouTube? Well, when the devil wants you, he don't leave you alone for nothing in this world. Having a problem with my truck again. On a good day, I could have went to Virginia, dropped this load off last night, and I had me another run. Now, I'm here in Jessup, Maryland. I was at the TA having problems with the DEF. I think I need a DEF pump. I think I need a DEF pump. I don't know. Trying to get it to force regen and see if that straighten it out. But I'm asking God to please help me out in another situation. But this God is saying I got to help this dude out everything. But I know if I get this thing regen and it works, I'm getting a DEF pump. I'm gonna price one. Hopefully they got one around, and I'm gonna buy a DEF pump and have it put on. Well, I just do like I say. I don't know. They're between 600 or a grand. But either way, I need to go ahead and get that straightened out and figure out why my switch is not working. Pray for me, man. Well, I know by the time y'all see this video, what's the deal is. It's like, soon I'm doing good, and it seems like I'm getting blessed and everything go right. It's like something else hit me, and something else hit me. It's like I just can't get a break. I can't get ahead. It make me second. I'm second guessing that I should have got this truck or get it back. Let it go. But I'm thinking if God did not permit me to get this truck, He would not let me able to get it back. This here is more tests of my faith in God, and I believe God gonna put me through this. Here. I can't sit there and say, God, put me through this, right? You know, put me through this, get this truck back, so have it act up again. So let me go. I think somebody coming. That's no one coming. I thought a technician was coming to the truck. It's know what, man. It's a lot of things I need to sit back and really think of. I want God to bless me to make this business work, because if I can get my business successful, this can help out my sister, my kids. I could be having means of rebuilding the family home. Now, I don't want to be all rich. I just want to live comfortable. And I want to be able to take care of people who I care about the most. And that's my sister, that's my kids, that's my nephew. And this is another thing. This is another step for me to have my faith in God. I believe me for anything. I believe in Him. I know that he's gonna bless me. Like I said, I just hoping that the regen will straighten this out. And they could tell me why this truck won't regen and why I'm gonna have the problems I'm having. That's the number one problems I'm having is the regen problem. So, I'll let you know what the deal is. Peace.